Close your eyes and picture a curious child wearing a sparkly lab coat, tinkering with a model brain made of glowing polymer clay. "What if," she whispers, "we could skip sleep entirely?" Immediately, you are swept into her secret lab, where impossible ideas float like fireflies. First, she points to the hippocampus, the part where memories nest. In her fantasy, each neuron sprouts tiny quartz crystals that vibrate at eta rhythm all day and night. These memory crystals gently shake waste molecules loose, replacing the slow cleaning normally done during deep sleep. In real brains, we know the glymphatic system flushes out toxins when we slumber. Here, the crystals mimic the process without a nap. Next, she tugs at the brainstem, home of our built-in bedtime alarm clock. She imagines swapping regular neurons for chameleon cells at sense energy levels. When glucose dips too low, they glow red and trigger a mini electric pulse, just like a coffee jolt, so the rest of the brain never drifts off. This playful idea borrows from how our real neurons fire rhythmic bursts to keep us alert. Then comes the giant twist. Floating in mid-air, a set of interlocking rings, an extra neural turbocharger network. These rings ride along blood vessels, pumping extra oxygen and ATP that cells fuel directly into brain tissue. In established science, we know ATP powers all neuron activity, but normally production lags by hours. With the turbocharger, energy reaches every synapse instantly, wiping away the usual fatigue that forces us to sleep. In the chance experiments, astrocytes, those star-shaped helper cells, evolve into mini vacuum cleaners. They patrol synapses, slurping up leftover neurotransmitters immediately after each thought. This keeps neural circuit fresh and never clogged, avoiding the sort of synaptic overload that makes us yawn. It's a fun exaggeration of the real role astrocytes play in balancing brain chemistry. To make things even wilder, she imagines adding a circadian override switch behind the forehead, protected by a tiny transparent dome. When pressed, it reroutes signals from the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the real master clock, through an alternate loop that maintains perfect 24-hour cycles without ever shutting down. It's like installing a backup generator that never sleeps. A playful riff on how artificial pacemakers regulate hearts in medicine. Finally, she sets the model brain spinning under a soft purple light. What would change in reality? She asks. We draw on established science to answer. A sleepless brain would need hyper-efficient lymphatic channels, supercharged mitochondria, and enhanced synaptic cleaning by glial cells to clear waste in real time. Its blood vessels would adapt to supply constant oxygen, and its molecular clock proteins would evolve to resist fatigue signals. As the child smiles, you realize these wild thought experiments, born from play, guide real researchers. By studying how to boost the lymphatic flow, tweak energy metabolism, and balance synaptic health, science inches closer to better treatments for sleep disorders. And maybe, just maybe, the next great idea will spring from a child's midnight daydream.